She cute. She cute and she's supposed to be glueless. Oh, it's got the curls for the girls. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Missy. Welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm just grazing my scalp or oiling it down with my current favorite hair serum, but I just wanted to give you guys some information on this unit because I'm absolutely obsessed and you guys have been loving it as well on my Instagram page. I mean, just check out my freaking first initial response. She cute and she's supposed to be glueless. Oh, it's got the curls for the girls. This is the Body Wave 5x5 Undetectable Invisible Lace Glueless Closure Wig. And yes, the lace is HD. Right now they're having a sale for Christmas, so I would definitely head over to the site. So the unit that I'm wearing is in 20 inches. This unit is glueless, install, wear, and ready to go, and definitely is this 180% density. And more importantly, it is pre-bleached and pre-plucked.
I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in a couple figures, kill a skull, collect.
So y'all, I was nervous because I haven't worn a wig in a while. And this unit is literally throw on your head ready. I'm really happy about that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I have my glue and everything ready. That's the crazy part, but the curls are already in this bit and everything. I think I am going to change the part. So we're gonna put this on and play around with it a little bit, but no glue today. We're gonna see how we can slay this wig without any glue. I'm gonna dig into my handy dandy pack and see what they gave me today. It's a lovely scarf. I love these, they come in handy so much. My mirror kit, I'm gonna throw this in my purse, so we'll save that. And then they gave me an edge brush. Now lately, I've been seeing the girls are going for no baby hairs. And with this unit, I don't think I'm even gonna need them. So, like I said, we're just going to be clipping off these combs. As you guys can see, another thing I've been trying to do to save my edges is to get rid of the combs, not glue the cap down. You know, because my edges have been through a lot this year. It helps us if you have a razor, but I don't have one handy. So I'm just gonna use my scissors, flip it upside down, and I start to kind of pull a little bit, and you just wanna start snipping at whatever thread you see. It's going to loosen up the, to start wiggling as well. It's gonna loosen up. I remember a time when I used to be so afraid of units, and Luvme hair always makes it super easy. This is giving an everyday wig. This is giving my first wig. This is giving life. So, like I said, mind you, without the flyaways, it's crazy because I have my barrel down here heating up next to me, and I was literally gonna go in with barrel curls, and they literally already threw curls in for me. So this is their glueless unit. I'm really just going in to see if there's any shading. I got one strand. And that's probably from me cutting a little bit of the hair when I cut the clip off just now. I will say this wig has a slight smell to it. It smells like they put curls in it, like it was heat applied to the hair or something like that. But I feel like this hair is perfect without freaking glue. It's sitting perfectly on my head. Like, don't even mind the lace. It's sitting perfectly. No baby hair is needed. We can look at the side. I like the construction of the wig because even though it's a closure, I can pull my hair back and you're not getting like straight tracks. They have constructed this so nice. It's not even like I could pull my hair back around my ear if I need to and it sits comfortably. So honestly, for today, I haven't done a middle part with bombshell curls in a while. I was gonna do a side part for Christmas. Let's see if I can do it really, really quickly. I might have to throw the curls back in the top. Look what it's giving. Okay, I lied. I like the middle part better. Which one do you guys like? Mind you, this lace is still on here, but you see kind of you see what it's giving. You see what it's giving, right? Flowing. What do you think? Side part. Girl, not a side part growing on me. I don't know, because if we do the side part, we can kind of go in a little bit more. I might layer that top part, but have a deep side part. I wish y'all could respond in real time right now, because I don't know. So, woo, we're gonna go ahead and with the side part, I'm mad because I don't have my freaking hot comb, but it's okay. We got everything else that we need. Like I said, we're not gonna go in with glue, but we're gonna do us a nice little side part, period. So while I have the lace still on, I'm probably gonna have to get up, but we're gonna go ahead and do the side part. I always have a trouble with my side parts. And because this is a closure, sometimes I don't really know how far she can go, but we're really gonna test it to do a deep side part today. I want to find my hot comb, because this is not giving me the look that I desperately desire. So I think I'm gonna do my makeup, so make sure you're watching my makeup tutorial. I'm about to do like my everyday glam look, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how the wig looks, like, you know, for a glueless unit. I think that Luvme's doing her thing. Part of me kind of wishes I would have left her, and I'm not gonna do this side because I kind of feel like I do want to go back in eventually and wear her as a middle part, but for right now she's giving me Christmas glam. Yes ma'am. Like, I don't even know if I've ever received a wig that was just on go, like ready for anything, ready to go, period. We just filmed the makeup tutorial. Make sure you check out the video. Show off my hair. I tried to pin this part because, you know, I don't like adding heat to my hair if I don't have to, and I don't think I have to. I think the pins save my day. You saw me cut a little bit of it. That's literally all the hair that I lost. This hair is super full. The length is there, so if I wanted to straighten it out, it would be even longer, but I love the fullness and the length. It's giving the perfect everyday and go wig. I would even wear this in the workplace, for real. It's gorgeous. The glueless wig has come and saved the day, honey. I'm here for the side part, but I've already decided there are some looks that I want to do with it in the middle part. So, and the way that I pinned it all up, they're kind of clumping together, so I'm just separating the curls. But I really, really love this wig. Like, Luvme hair came through for the win. I'm absolutely obsessed with this unit. Had to put on my little sexy PJs. Y'all know I love a good PJ set. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. And for sure, we're just gonna keep it real short, real cute. Make sure you check out Luvme hair. You guys know I always rock with them. Literally never let me down. Like I said, I've been wearing this hair for years. The quality has always been exceptional. And I know they have a full, like, I can't stop touching it. I'm sorry. I know they have a full category of glueless wigs. I'm about to hit this site. This is literally what I need in my life, is a glueless wig, period. Right out the box, get me right. Had I known that I wouldn't have to bleach the knots Had I known that I wouldn't have to worry about no baby hair, like you should see my setup. I prepped so much stuff for this wig and didn't use any of it. But anyway, I love the way that my hair turned out. Thank you so much to Luvme Hair for gifting me with this wig for Christmas. Cause honey, I look like I'm slaying for sure. Santa Claus is on his way to town, honey. Make sure you guys check out the description box to get your wig, get your hair ready for your New Year's parties. As for me, I'm gonna be in the crib with my snacks. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. And make sure you check out this makeup tutorial. I'm gonna say it 5 times because I took my time to record. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.